full body workout today. Let's get started. 15 minutes, low impact. We're just going to move throughout the entire 15 minutes. When you need a break, you take one. Pause the video if you have to. If you can stay moving, that would be amazing. Just tiny little bounces, just like do as you rest. Now we just got a nice march to get the body warm. We're going to move dynamically. I do have some weights today that I will incorporate in a couple exercises. If you have some, get them close by. You don't need them though. Choose your own adventure. Ready? Let's just bounce a bit and twist. But breathe throughout. See if we can't boost our mood and elevate our energy. Can depend on the time of day. Whenever you're doing this, you've shown up. That's the most important thing. See, we can get a real sense of gratitude just for the ability to move. It's really not a practice, gratitude. It is an action, a practice. Put it in place right now. Oh, I'm so grateful I can twist my body. Yes, let's do this. Okay. In and out. Sink a little deeper. Tiny little squat. Engage your core. Let's get the arms going. Get them nice and warm too. Yeah. Are we warm? Glute kicks. No arms yet. Core. Bars here if you need it. Maybe you need it for one. You can come off for another. You need it, you use it. Let's go with arms. Reach them back. Here we go. Pick up the pace a bit. Yeah. Couple more. Yeah. And let's bounce. Forward and back. Quickly. Move those legs. Quick. I'm going to take that right into a jumping jack. Are you ready? 3, 2, 1, and jumping jacks. Moving every cell of our body. Oh. And most importantly, this is pretty fun. Although, I was just doing some jumping jacks on the ground, and it's made normal jumping jacks not as fun. There's always a consequence. They're still pretty good. Come on, let's go quick. Now for this talking nonsense, let's push ourselves. Yes. Okay. Bounce. Really controlled. Flat-footed. Engage the core. Thumbs up. We're recovering, but we're building some strength in the biceps with our thumbs up. Not long to go. Stick with it. We can do this. Let's go. Thumbs down. Triceps. Just a little teaser. till we get maybe some weights involved if you want later. Okay. Ooh, shake that out. But let's right into a side to side. You go at your own pace, but maybe we want to go once we feel comfortable, a little bit quicker. And let's then mix it up. We're going to go double. Bend the knees. Feet together. Three, two, one, and a balance rest. But I'm going to rest-ish. Sort of our skier jack. Really low pace. Notice the beating of your heart. Pay attention to your breath. When we bring our attention to our breath, we recover so much more quickly. Yes. Shake that out. Okay, I'm going to try something different. I'm going to get the weights in a second. Before we do that, let's come to here. Step up and over. Come on. Have some fun. Move dynamically. And up. Come on. One more. If you got weights, you want to grab them again. You don't need them. Let's bounce. Oh, there's so much we can do with this. In and out. Bicep curls. Weights, great. No weights, equally great. Bring all your attention right here. Grateful that your biceps work and curl. Hallelujah to that. Let's really work the arms the next couple minutes. Own our suffering. Yeah, a little bit of pain. We don't want to avoid pain and suffering. We want to embrace it. No matter how painful something might be, let's fully absorb ourselves in it. Quick, let's pick it up. Oh yeah, get a burn. Yes. Bounce for a minute. Not a minute. Just for a few seconds, side to side. Okay, I want to build some strength in the shoulders. I need it. We're coming up. Hold it up there and bounce. 30 seconds. This is going to be a challenge for me. I think I can. Laser-like attention. Just notice. No toxic thoughts. We're almost there. And come on down. In and out. Forward and back. In and out. Forward and back. This is our recovery. I love it. Whoop. Okay. come on down. If you have weights, great. We're going to do a little fly move. So, building strength in the back. Again, you don't need weights. This is great without. And I'm going to now bring a bounce in. Ooh, yes. Can you dig it? Can you dig it? I don't know. I'll be all right. Movement is magic. Nothing else. It should boost our mood. Oh, yes. Yes. Couple more. Oh, hallelujah. Right into it. If you got your weights good, let's go back to here with the weights. Just move across your rebounder. If you need a break, I think you'll be all right. I think I can. One more. Little recovery, bounce, but I'm keeping my arms at 90 degrees. Just notice. Just notice. I'm going to come to the side. Punch. Just one arm at a time. You feel free to go in a bit of a circle around your rebounder. Oh yeah, we're building up our proprioception. We do that as well. Let's go the other arm. Ooh. Come on. And let's go around. Around the world. Around the world. Yes. 5 more. Recover. Oh, just let the shoulders really fall down. Feel them stretch out with every bounce. We're almost done. Fast feet. Feel every bit of your foot. Flat feet. Pump those legs. And come in. Squat. Hold it overhead for 10. Two more. Come on. 1. Hold it up top. Hold it there. Sink a bit deeper. Come on. You got this. And let those shoulders really drop down. Feel the beauty of that. That's a heck of a 15 minutes. I got a bit of sweat on. Feeling good. Just absorb everything you've taken in. Move through the rest of your day with real gratitude that you can move your body so beautifully. Pretty lucky. Gratitude for the littlest of things make us so much happier. I'm going to really try. Well done to you. See you tomorrow. Yes, tomorrow we're doing this. Goodbye for now.